Show her the paper and read it to her.
Look, Lacey. Happy birthday. Second birthday.
Happy second birthday, Lacey.
Love you. XOXOXOX. Whatever.
Abuela Maria. All right.
Open this side. Open this side.
Okay, how does he gonna make it?
What's this?
Open it.
Close.
Oh, look at that face. You gotta get a picture of her when she does that.
Oh,
Ooh, pretty. Show it to her, AJ. Open each one and show it to her.
See that? Now look at this.
Look, Lacey.
Jacket. Let's put it
AJ.
on. Now look. Look, Lacey. Hands.
She's gonna get back to her stroller.